In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your accountant with the correct permissions to Zoho Books. This process is quite straightforward and will ensure that your financial management tasks run smoothly by providing your accountant precise access to the data they need. First, let's begin by signing into your Zoho account. Head over to the Zoho Books website and click on the Sign In button. If you usually log in with a Google account, click on Google and select your account from the options provided. Keep in mind that this process might take a little time to load, depending on your internet speed, so a little patience will go a long way. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the settings menu. Here, you'll find a section labeled Users and Roles. Within this section, click on Users. This will take us to the next critical step, inviting your accountant. To do this, simply look for the Invite Accountant button and click on it. Next, you'll need to fill in your accountant's details. Start by entering their name. Be sure everything is spelled correctly, as this will help identify them later on. Following that, input your accountant's email address. This step is crucial because the invitation and further communication will be channeled through this email. Once you have double checked the name and email address, go ahead and click on Send. This action sends an invitation to your accountant, providing them access to your financial data on Zoho Books once they accept it. After you send the invitation, let's go back to the Users and Roles section to manage permissions. Look for the Roles tab and click on it. Here, you'll see a list of predefined roles in Zoho Books. Locate and select Accountant from the list. Within the Accountant section, you'll find an Edit button. Clicking on this will open up options to adjust the access and permissions tied to this role. This ensures that your accountant has just the right level of access needed to perform their tasks effectively, protecting sensitive data while facilitating ease of use. Once you've made the necessary adjustments and are satisfied with the permissions set for the accountant role, click on Save to confirm your changes. This final step secures the modifications and completes the process of setting up your accountant in Zoho Books. And there you have it. You've now successfully added your accountant to Zoho Books with the correct permissions. This setup will greatly aid in maintaining your financial records with efficiency and security. We hope this guide was easy to follow and that you feel more confident managing user roles within Zoho Books. Thank you for tuning in, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.